This lemon cake is the cutest cake and it's super easy to make. Let's start this delicious recipe by adding 2 eggs in a container, 200 grams of sugar, 110 milliliters of milk, 110 milliliters of oil, the juice of 2 lemons. After adding these ingredients, I will mix very well until all the ingredients are completely integrated. After mixing very well, I will add 340 grams of wheat flour. We will sift it very well to make the cake dough without lumps. Take this moment to tell me which city or country you are watching me from, so I can send you a special hug in the next video. After adding the wheat flour, just mix very well until the wheat flour is integrated into the cake dough. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of baking powder. And I'm going to mix it again. I always get compliments when I do it at my house. Do it at yours and tell me if you like the result too. Now let's transfer all the cake dough to a pan previously greased with oil. This way the cake dough won't stick to the pan after baking. Now I'm going to bake it in the oven at 180 degrees for 40 minutes. Meanwhile, I will add 395 grams of condensed milk into a container. And we will also need the juice of 1 lemon. I'm sure you'll love making this recipe at home. It has a very special flavor and is perfect to eat at any time of the day. After adding the 2 ingredients, just mix very well. Now let's transfer all this mixture to the cake we prepared previously. Doing it the same way I am doing it will give the cake an incredible presentation that will impress anyone who sees it. You can add lemon zest and lemon slices too. This lemon cake is very delicious. In addition to being super easy to make, it contains few ingredients and has an incredible result. Tell me what your favorite type of cake is. Do you prefer the traditional vanilla cake, chocolate cake, coconut cake, or maybe another one that you make at home? And our recipe is ready. Tell me if you knew a recipe as incredible as this, and also tell me if you're going to make it at home. The cake dough is super moist and fluffy when made this way. I'm sure you'll love it when you make it. Here I make it every weekend. My family always asks me to make it. Thank you for watching this far. See you next time.